Hello and welcome. In this video, we will show you how to onboard and configure Cisco Secure Workload using the Cisco Security Cloud Control platform. First, sign in to Security Cloud Control platform. Use your Security Cloud sign-on account to sign in. If you don't have an account, create one using the Sign Up option. After logging in, the Security Cloud Control homepage is displayed. Next, let's create an organization. Click Organization. Click Create New Organization. In the dialog box that is displayed, enter a name for the organization, select a preferred region, and click Create. The organization is successfully created. Now let's see how to claim the Secure Workload subscription. Click the home icon and then click Claim Subscription. After you ordered a subscription to Cisco Secure Workload, you will receive a welcome email containing a subscription claim code. Here's an example showing the Secure Workload subscription. Now enter the claim code and click Next. You can now see Cisco Secure Workload SaaS Workload Protection under Products. Select Create New Instance from the drop-down list and then click Next. Review the details and click Claim. A confirmation pop-up appears. The Cisco Secure Workload subscription is now activated. Here you will see activation notification. It takes a couple of hours for the activation to complete. Once activated, you'll receive an email that says the Cisco Secure Workload activation is complete. You will also receive the Security Cloud Control application link. Click this link to log in to Security Cloud Control. Now let's access Secure Workload. After you have logged into Security Cloud Control, choose the organization you created earlier. You can now see that Secure Workload is available. Click on Secure Workload to proceed. The Secure Workload homepage is displayed. Here, click Launch Secure Workload. As a first-time user, you need to set up the dashboard. To set up the dashboard, create a scope tree, which is the first step toward generating and enforcing policies for an application you choose. Click Next. Enter the required details for the scope. Review the scope details and click Create Scope Tree. This is how the Secure Workload dashboard looks once you have configured the scope tree. To install agents and agent-related functionalities, click Install Agents. You can select your desired agent installation method here, either the Agent Script Installer or the Agent Image Installer. Navigating back to the dashboard, click Launch Secure Workload to launch the application outside Security Cloud Control. The Secure Workload application is displayed. You can see the scope that you have created. Thank you for watching this video.